What's up, CG family?
Welcome back to another episode of Car of the Week. This week we are here with our friend Derek in his beautiful
570S.
Yes. It is just such a stunning car. It's very bright. It pops out, you know what I mean? You can spot this car
honestly
a mile
like
away.
this color better than that blue.
Really?
Yeah. I like this color a lot more on the 570.
I do too. I think those are my top two, definitely, for sure.
Yeah.
I've seen a lot of colors on the 570s because they have a wide variety of color options.
Mm-hmm.
But the orange and the blue are definitely my two favorite, probably because they pop out the most.
I agree, but it just fits the car.
It really does.
Yeah.
It really does. Especially McLarens. They're known for kind of their orange and blue color combination, right?
Want to look my way and never back to you. I'm not above let me be myself. I'm not above let me be myself. Let me be myself. Let me be myself.
Grant is getting his montage shots real quick, and I got some of my TikTok shots in as well. Look how big these rotors are, guys. It literally fills up the whole wheel. That's crazy. Yeah, this is definitely, I like this color a lot better than the blue. Can we see the keys? So check the keys out, you guys. Oh, and he has an M1. Oh, I have this too. Do you keep this at M1 or no?
No, I don't.
All right, so as Derek mentioned earlier, this car does come with 570 horsepower stock, but he said with just the stage 2 tune, it makes how much?
About 725 with the crank.
Yeah, with a catless downpipe.
With the catless downpipes and stage 2 tune from DME. But I have yet to get a dyno to see what the wheel horsepower is, but it's an incredible amount of horsepower you can lock just from a simple stage 2.
Right, because as you stated, McLaren uses the 4-liter V8 in all of their models, so it has a lot of potential.
Slight variations, but at the end of the day, it's the same, almost the same base engine. So
yes, Derek does track his car an awful lot. Doesn't abuse it necessarily, but
He has
fun with it. He treats the car as meant to be driven, And yes, especially when you're on Grattan with that jump, you need the spoiler.
I was gonna say, if you look at my license plate, you kind of know my intention.
Right. Hey, once you sell it, you better take that license plate off.
Transferred, whatever I get next.
Right. And I can't help but to mention the beautiful Shinola.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, representing Detroit.
That's right. Made here. This is not. It's Britain. Are they made it? I know they're headquartered in Britain. Are they made in Britain?
They are made in the UK as well. Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Crazy. So what's one thing you like about the car and one thing you dislike about the car?
So what I love about the car is it is just one hell of a machine to drive. Like it is a beast that's trying to be tamed, especially now with the tune and downpipes.
Oh, yeah.
Right, and it's all to the rear wheels.
All to the rear wheels. So it's a little bit difficult to control now.
Right.
Hook up.
Yep.
But it's just a lot of fun. I've also test driven Huracan, and for me, like the driver engagement with the McLaren is just better in my opinion.
Mm-hmm.
Visibility as well. The visibility in there is really good compared to a Huracan.
Okay.
So.
Right.
That makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's what I love about it. It's just a raw animal,
Yeah.
that just is begging you to tame it, basically. One thing I dislike about it is the McLaren quirks.
The what?
The McLaren quirks. So, as any McLaren owner will tell you, there's a bunch of little quirks with this. I mean, it's a highly advanced car, very a lot of electrical systems. It's they kind of act up. It's been known that the car is a little hypersensitive to some things, so it'll throw up an error once in a while, and all you have to do is literally lock the door overnight, and it resets it. So and you kind of chalk it up to one of those McLaren things. So
right.
That's one thing I don't like about it, is having to deal with that. But the car's been perfect for me. I mean, no issues whatsoever. Just the odd time when the window doesn't go up when the door closes, or
right.
It says I have a low battery when I don't, but
Gotcha.
like I said, it goes away the next
The imperfections that don't exist, basically.
Yeah. It is crazy. Oh my god. Let's see how Grant fits in.
So the
Is it all the way back already?
It is. I think so.
I'm not getting. I'm not Yeah, like.
Now it's all like 3 centimeters. Let's see.
Yeah.
You look. It's fine.
I don't know why, but Mark's felt a lot smaller than that.
I think because Mark had is all the way up.
Maybe,
He's a
yeah.
small guy, I think.
Yeah,
That's
so
what I
maybe.
think. Maybe he didn't adjust the seat for me because this I fit.
Yeah. Literally comfortably. Really.
You said what?
I have a friend who tested drove a Huracan. My friend was 570 before he bought it, and he couldn't fit in it. So he's like, yeah, I'm getting the 570 because I can't fit in the Huracan.
So the 570
Right.
does have more room.
It
than
does.
Huracan.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, you know what? I'm glad because I've always thought like I see 570, 600
For like
LTs.
years. For years we've
Yeah.
been thinking this, that.
No,
Seem like
no,
it,
for real.
But
And
once you get in there,
I swear, 570, 600 LTs. Like I've always been sad. Every time I see one, I'm like, damn, I can't drive that. It's too small for me. You know what I mean? Ever since
Yeah.
I sat in Mark's, but now like I know the truth. God was lying to me. I can
Yeah.
fit. I can fit in the beast.
That's it.
Oh man. Look at that. This is insane, you guys. Once in a lifetime opportunity right here. Gorgeous.
I know, and the steering
And
wheel,
the
you guys.
shape of the
Here,
side, the
steering wheel.
bolsters. Yes, the steering wheel, it has matte carbon fiber on it with the beautiful orange at the bottom and orange stitching on the inside of the steering wheel with extended paddle shifters that are also carbon fiber. Guys, this is
I was
the
gonna
car.
say, if anyone wants a 570, this is the one.
This is
You
the
know,
one.
this is the
I don't think it's for sale though.
I agree. It's not for sale yet.
Yeah. We'll take it off your hands, don't worry. Man. All right, well, you know, look at these seats. This is what I was showing you guys earlier. Look how detailed and beautiful these Alcantara seats with leather, and it just matches the stitching. Look at the shape of the bolsters. It's like a butterfly. That is so beautiful.
All right, guys, so I'm ditching the 350Z today, and I'm rolling with this I was gonna say 720S, this 570S that has a stage 2 tune, and it puts out 720 HP to the crank. So let's start this up.
Nice.
Awesome.
Guys, this is like a pure perfect temperature tonight.
Yeah.
Hey, do you have any problems with it overheating ever or anything?
No.
Really? Yeah, it is a V8. It's not, you know.
Yeah, and not with the cats removed because it's,
Oh,
it's
yeah,
basically
it-
straight free throw.
Right,
so
cats restrict the airflow and stuff
Exactly.
and back pressure
that's
for the
where you get-
engine.
exactly, that's where you get heat problems is when you have cats. So.
Right, right. You can smell the cat delete. Can you rev it a little?
I'm literally about to get blown away.
Honestly, holy sh**, that's
Yeah, it's
loud.
pretty loud without cats. And,
Yeah, no, you can even smell it when the
Oh,
you know
yeah.
the cat delete. You can smell the fumes a little more.
Oh,
Kinda.
and the carbon fiber diffuser too.
I love the diffuser on this car.
Yeah, and the engine cover's hard to find too with carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Really? I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, it's kind of.
What is that? Is that
Oh, that's my engine compartment. You want to see it?
Yeah.
Oil.
Oh, that's so cute. I like that. It's so much easier than
Yeah.
I don't know
Right.
having to do something else.
Although to take this off, it's only these two bolts to take this part off, so
Oh,
it comes
okay.
off super easy too. If you
Oh.
actually access the engine.
Oh,
Right.
wow. But is it clipped around, or is it literally just those bolts?
Just literally those two bolts, and then
Wow.
door clips. Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.
You just gotta kind of lift it up and it pops it out of there.
Yeah.
Definitely more work than a push of a button.
Yeah.
Like a latch or something.
But you never really need to access the engine on these.
Right, right.
Was this, so like on regular 570s, do they have this reverse light? Because I actually have never
Yeah.
seen it. Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's.
I think that's the only reverse light, right?
Yeah.
It is. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet.
That's crazy.
Do you want to take us up and down once each?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sweet.
All right.
Awesome. All right, you go first.
That's
I'm too scared.
So this is part of the vlog still. We got track day as his license plate. This thing goes crazy. Of course, we got our two little slow pokes right there.
Christina's hopping in to get her ride.
All right, guys, I'm about to hop in the 570. So obviously this is how you close the door, you guys. And got the beautiful orange seat belts. Grant is setting up the cameras and Derek is also getting ready to roll. And you guys, when I tell you this car has so much carbon fiber, like honestly I think it has more carbon fiber than the 600 LT. Like that's how crazy it is.
And like the wheel arches are even carbon fiber.
Oh my god! That's like the wheel well too. Holy crap, you guys. And like if it's not carbon fiber, then it's the Alcantara. Like that's literally the interior. And you actually have a good like rear view, side view mirror too. Like it's not like those crazy looking ones.
No, like it's a good visibility out of the car all around.
Yeah. How do you go on neutral when you're using your paddle shifters? Do you have to hold both of them?
No, you can't.
Okay.
So McLaren has, the paddle shifters on the same, they're the same piece.
Yeah.
Which is cool because you can downshift and upshift with one hand.
Oh wow.
But you can't pull them both at the same time because they're just one piece. But you can shift up and down into gear.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
And you can hold it. Now I'm in neutral.
Okay. That makes sense. Okay. And you have how many modes?
So you've got your normal mode,
Yeah.
which is non-active mode essentially. If you look at the dash here, you
Yeah.
can see that this is normal mode right now.
Mhm.
When I hit the active button, it'll then take in my choices for handling and powertrain.
Okay, wow.
So when I hit the active button, if you look at the dash here, the dash changes now.
Yeah.
It's more of an F1 style.
Nice, I see that. Those rev lights.
Put it in gear there.
That's crazy.
And now it's in, I always run track for powertrain, which makes it shift a lot faster. And also handling, I do normally sport mode for handling. So it's a little bit loose, but nothing too crazy.
Okay.
You can actually disable traction control altogether, though I don't recommend it.
Yeah.
And of course you got launch control and all that fun stuff.
All right. Let's see when Grant's gonna be ready. That's crazy. Oh my god.
Pretty
Do
quick.
you usually lose that like a little bit of what's it called, balance, like in the beginning?
Yeah, it's with the tune, it breaks. It's hard to get that initial traction a little bit. So.
Yeah, that's crazy. And you have a lot of tread on your tires too, so that can't speak.
Yeah, I have the Michelin Pilot 4S's, so there's 3 tires.
Nice. That's crazy, you guys. Holy crap.
That's nice.
Alright, you guys, now it's Grant's turn. Again, as Derek mentioned, this is how you open up the door, like that. And now we're about to switch roles.
How was it?
It was awesome. That shit's crazy, dude.
Your face was hysterical.
You saw it?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
All right, now I'm getting in. I'm too damn big for this thing.
There's no graceful way of getting in. So.
Right, at all.
Alright, so we are ready for a round 2 launch with Grant this time. I was honestly afraid he was gonna lose control and spin like sideways or something, but he didn't. He had full control of it. He is definitely a pro, that's all I gotta say. He has tracked this car before and he definitely has used launch control before.
That's pretty quick.
Jesus. Holy crap. Dude, that is insane.
Yeah.
My heart literally, it felt like I was on a roller coaster. Man, and just the sound of it and everything.
Yeah.
Holy smoke. That downshift. Yeah.
Very nice. Shout out to Derek for coming through because, oh my god, this beast this is the 570 you would want. Like, it's like fully loaded, literally, with like not only just the carbon packages, the tune, like the wing, I don't know, everything about it. This is the perfect spec engine, and looks wise, I love it. 10 out of 10. Letting you guys know, if you guys are looking for a 570, you got to keep an eye out like Derek did, because this is the one. You definitely wouldn't fit with a helmet, would you?
Heck no. I can't fit in my car with a helmet. I feel like a badass getting out of this. Oh, not anymore. Oh. That's insane.
Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and please give this video a huge thumbs up for this amazing 570S that is surely not stock.
And thank you again to our friend Derek. He really took us on rides. He showed us the entire car. Very kind of him to come out with us today. So.
And I'll also link his Instagram in this, I guess, clip right here, so you can check out his page and give him a follow. So, yeah.
Thank you guys. We'll catch you guys next time.